Hello, this is Dr. Kelly Hood with Hood Health and Wellness. Got a question for you. Do you believe that our current healthcare system is failing you, failing me, failing your family? When you look around, the onset of diabetes, cancer, heart disease continues to rise. And why is that? We go to our medical doctor, and the typical scenario is, there's a list of symptoms that I have, you have, your family, your mom, dad, that they have. And then typically what happens is then we have a drug, some kind of prescription drug that is given to us, prescribed to us, to then counteract that symptom. Is that the best way? Is chasing and treating symptoms the best thing to be doing? In my opinion, it's not. Symptoms are expressions of your body telling you something's wrong, such as high blood pressure. Something is causing my blood pressure to be high. I'm now type 2 diabetic. So what's causing that to happen? Oh my goodness, I can't sleep. All these things are symptoms your body's telling you that it's having trouble doing. So is the right answer to take another prescription drug, for those things I just mentioned? And again, in my opinion, no. And until we teach the American people the why, why are you having the high blood pressure? Why are you now type 2 diabetic? Why, the answer to that question is where the answer lies. We've got to teach people what it takes to be healthy, how we eat, how we sleep, how we have recreation, how we get outside and enjoy God's nature. All of those things are part of the puzzle. With traditional health care, with traditional medical care, where it really, really shines is the acute medical emergencies. We have fantastic surgeons to sew us back up because we've been in a horrific accident, or we have a very, very bad, significant acute infection. The medication is great for that. But when you have a chronic, ongoing problem, which that's what most people have, you cannot treat those ongoing chronic problems with acute care medicine. It does not work. We need to educate people how the body really works and how to get these chronic diseases, conditions under control. And it basically comes down to brain and the gut. You've got to get that in balance. The brain controls everything in your body. And the gut, if it's getting a lot of trashy food, which causes inflammation, then there's no way to put the fire out until you start looking at the whole person. So stop and think about what you're having trouble with, what needs to maybe happen to solve and get the condition under control. If this makes sense to you, then we're the place for you. Reach out to us. I'm Dr. Kelly Hood with Hood Health and Wellness.